Hey YouTube, RA Scratcher here. Today I got a couple sleigh bell tickets. Ticket number 33 through 37. Alright, we're looking for a bell to win, 2 bells to win double the prize, and a sled to win it all. Let's see. Nothing there. Escape. Nothing. Try the bonus. No bonus. Try again. 33 is a dud. Let's try 34. Let's see. Lights, Gingerman, Owl, Reef, Skate. No bells. No bells, no sled so far. Nope. Try the bonus. No bonus. Try again. Alright, ticket number 35. A lot of cupcakes. Still no bells. Nope. No sleigh, no bells. Alright, try the bonus. No bonus. Alright. Ticket number 36. Let's try this one. Skate, tree, present. No bells. Oh, I thought that ornament was a bell. Nope. Alright, try the bonus. No. And no. Alright. 37, last chance. Let's see. See if we can find a bell. So far, not having any luck. Ornaments, no bells. Bells, no sleighs. Nothing. Alright, try the bonus. Oh, we won 10 bucks. Hey, we got the bonus. Oh, wasn't a total blank. Alright, guess better luck next time.